So, since today attending the meeting, it looks like a final meeting before the exposition takes place. So, how is it is overall? If you go to say,
I think he has addressed you all, and he has. You heard everybody speak. I think he has addressed you all. All of us have spoken. Most important is the church authorities have also spoken. They have expressed their satisfaction, happy with whatever was committed has been delivered. And I think we are on, I may not be wrong if I say we are on the verge of the exposition starting the afternoon. We are ready for that.
Even the pilgrim village, unique concept, looks like.
You all have visited the site, you all have seen for yourselves. So I think this exposition has a slight difference too. We've added facilities which otherwise were not available.
Can we say that as a minister who has frequently taken meetings, review meetings, to see that everything falls into place, you are satisfied with the way you have been?
I'm definitely satisfied. That's why I'm saying we are ready for the exposition. Today, the Chief Minister also made an announcement that we will have a ferry service from Diwan to Panjim. And I'm happy to announce that this service will start day after tomorrow from 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 to whole day.
The whole day and night even.
And it will be all 45 days.
It will be from Diwar right up to the jetty, opposite power department in Panjim. And 4 ferries will be allotted for this particular
exposition special.
For the exposition.
About lighting,
and then the parking that you have done that is special. What is this? People will have to get down there and then they will be ferrying them.
From the parking lot, we will be putting buggies or depending on the condition of the person. We have these rickshaws also that will transport the person.
तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पिलग्रिमचे उपक्रम तुम्ही स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट केला तुम्ही तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लाइटिंग शो कसलो किती असं म्हणलं तो
Light show.
Special lighting show.
27.
No, the lighting show is going to be per se from, if I'm not mistaken, 24th.
27.
No, 24th December to 2nd of January.
Starting.
Okay.
On the 27th of December, we have arranged the Shillong choir who will be performing on the lawns outside the Seagull.
Yeah.
फॉरेन गेस्ट कोणी असतील एक्सप्रेशन
I'm not aware.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.